Now here's a payout I received recently as a result of a tool I've never shared on this channel before. And this holds true all throughout the world. As you can see, it's one of the easiest ways to make money online. You will be able to easily set up this passive income stream and start making money online if you follow all the instructions in this video. Now this method is 100% free and you don't need any initial investment to make this work. This is also available worldwide no matter what country you're in. You are going to make a lot of money with this method. This is very beginner friendly and you don't need any previous experience in order to do this. This is very easy to do, so watch the video until the end so that you will understand how this works and you can take action immediately. But before we start, welcome to Finance Hub, where we will teach you tips and tricks to make money online. Subscribe to this channel and don't forget to turn on that notification bell so you will be notified anytime we post a new video on how to make money online. And if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. Okay, so here's the website we'll be using today in order to make money online. This website is called eClincher.com. This is a tool for managing social media. As we can see, as soon as we sign up for this platform, it begins to manage our social media profiles for us. And the reason so many individuals need their social media managed is that they are either unwilling or too busy to do it properly. And I'd estimate that entrepreneurs make up the majority of the website's visitors because let's face it, how much time do you actually have to manage your own social media if you're running a business? Really, it's not that much. And this tool is ideal for such people since it will not only manage their social media for them, but it will also help them expand, which will result in the business owner generating more money, as social media is such an important aspect of running business nowadays. And the evidence of this can be found in the fact that some of the world's most well-known firms now have Instagram, Facebook, and other social media profiles. Now, given that I know the majority of you who are watching this do not own a business, how is this website going to bring us money? So stay tuned because I'll not only show you how this will get us compensated, but also teach you how to do it. But there's also the technique I recently discovered, and so we can literally earn thousands of dollars with ease. Anyway, as I previously stated, because we are not clients, all of the features are irrelevant to us. As a result, you should go to the very top of the page and hover your mouse over the company right here. Then because we'll be promoting this website as an affiliate, you'll want to select Partner Affiliate Program. And by doing so, this will result us in being extremely well compensated. You will earn between hundreds of dollars for a single person you refer to here. And that is a huge sum of money. If you refer hundreds of users to this website in a single month, you'll make thousands of dollars on the spot. That is pretty amazing, right? As a result, it has a lot of potential to compensate you. From then, things only get better. Not only do you get paid well, but eClincher has an unlimited supply of new consumers. As you can read on the section over here, it says that in 2020, over 3.6 billion people were using social media worldwide, a number projected to increase to almost 4.41 billion in 2025. There are literally millions upon millions of people that run a business and require assistance with their social media accounts all around the world. They are all prospective clients after all. Furthermore, the fact that the site offers a 14-day free trial makes it much more easier to encourage someone to test it out. The most challenging element of affiliate marketing, as I'm sure most of you know, is persuading someone to try out the site or the product that you are promoting. Because people are understandably afraid to invest money in something they're not so sure that's authentic and will pay off. However, with this free trial, not only it will be much easier to encourage someone to try this site, but after they do and see how useful it is, they'll be eager to acquire this tool to handle their social media, which means you'll be paid as well. As you can see, there are numerous benefits to joining this site's affiliate program. Because of the free trial, it's simple to persuade individuals to try out the site and you'll have an endless supply of potential customers. Finally, you'll be paid significantly every time you refer someone to this website. To become a member of their affiliate program, simply click here to apply. Then input your email address, first and last names, and other pertinent information. Now these three areas will be left blank because they aren't required to be filled, as not every affiliate will have a business or website. Selecting your country is what you want to do, and now is a good moment for me to show you what I told you earlier. Just have a look at all of the countries that this site supports. It works anywhere in the world and it doesn't even matter where you're coming from. In any case, you must enter in your address, phone number, password after selecting your country, then the links to all of your social network accounts. Check this box to agree to their affiliate terms. Click the CAPTCHA, then click sign up to complete the process. And now the next step is for you to be approved for their affiliate program, which will take a few hours. However, once you've done so and received an email from them, you will be able to grab that affiliate link and you will be paid whenever someone clicks on it and then signs up for a membership. Now that you have that link, it's time for me to show you how to acquire traffic. I have an amazing strategy for you. We are going to get traffic by using numerous freelancing platforms such as Fiverr and others. As an example, I will utilize Fiverr. However, you should keep in mind that what I'm about to say applies to all of them. Now is the time to look for social media management. So you're looking for people to manage other people's accounts, and you want to get in touch with them. And they are our ideal clients because they have a slew of potential clients contacting them, and they are handling many social media accounts. Even if they are paid well, like this guy for example who charges this amount to handle other people's social media accounts, they do not have a lot of spare time. And do you think most of them will be prepared to give it a go if you present them with a tool that allows them to handle many more accounts for a minimal cost and hence generate significantly more money? Absolutely, I think that is the case. And this is why these individuals are ideal customers. They have the financial means to pay and they will gladly try eClincher if it means more money in the long run. And basically, you'll want to contact everyone you can find on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. Tell them about eClincher and all of its benefits, especially the free trial, which will entice them to try out. And that is it for today's video. Before we go, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and click on that notification bell to be notified on new uploads. That is it for me, and I will see you in the next video.